So hello guys, welcome to my new channel, and today we're gonna talk about some top 5 browser extensions that are used by the hackers. Guys, you rightly hear that hackers also use some browser extensions. So we're gonna talk about the top 5 extensions that the hackers use. So to cover up this topic, I have divided into 4 subtopics. So let's go to our topics and let's see what are the topics. So the first topic is what are the browser extensions. Second is our how to add browser extensions. Third is the top 5 browser extensions used by the hackers, and this is our main topic. And the fourth one is a reward for you all guys. Today I have come with a reward for you. Do you want to know what the reward is? So okay, I will tell you. The reward is hashtag. Sorry guys, I will tell you the reward at the end of the video. So let's start the video without wasting any more time. So guys, let's know what are browser extensions. Browser extensions basically the small software that helps you to customize your browser, or it also helps to improve the performance of the browsers. It provides basically the variety of extensions such as VPNs, ad blockers, bookmarks such as e-notes, pockets, and many more. So our second topic is, let's check how to add a browser extensions. Let's go to the browser. I'm showing this practical on Mozilla Firefox. So click on the menu button, or you can use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus A, and search here. For example, VPN. We will type VPN and press enter in the search box. As you can see, there are list of VPNs. So we'll download one of them. This is the most. This VPN is used by maximum users. Let's use this only. Click on add to Firefox to add, and you will see a pop-up on the top with an add or a cancel option. So click on add. Check browser premium plans. We don't need premium, so cross and okay, got it. So next, which is our main topic. So in this way you can add browser extensions. So this is our main topic, top 5 browser extensions used by the hackers. So we will move from upward, downward to upwards, from bottom to up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last is 1. That is the most important. So let's go from 5. Wayback Machine. Basically, Wayback Machine helps you to see how a website looks like 3 years or 4 years back. So I'm gonna show you on the live website, that is Woodland website, that is woodlandworldwide.com. We'll click on it. Here is the option for Wayback Machine. Wayback Machine, as you can see, click on it and click on recent version. It will run a script in the new tab, and it will give you the recent version of this website. It has been loaded, guys. As you can see, we can also change the time span. The most important factors for hackers to hack the website, that how a website look like. And we're gonna talk some more tools which helps a hacker to see what the vulnerability is. Till it loads, let's move towards the fourth one, that is the Hackbar Quantum. Basically, Hackbar Quantums helps you to encode the data, or to encrypt or decrypt the data. Basically encoding or decoding or to make a payload in it. So how we can do this? We will click on this only. Click on this is the HACI Quantum. Click on this and you will see a pane on the left side. So as you can see, it has been loaded. So let's decode this into, and we will go to the encoding base 64, encode or decode. We will encode this. As you can see, it has been encoded into base 64 hash, and there are many options such as encryption MD5 hash, others XSS, MySQL chart, strings, upper lower, payloads, PHP reverse shell, and here we will enable post data. We will write here, you can write some scripts to run, for example script alert1 script tag close. This is the most common line to check whether the vulnerability of XSS in a site is there or not. We will click on run. So the site have no XSS vulnerability, but after 2 to 3 years back, the Woodland site is infected with XSS, that is cross-site scripting vulnerability. I think they have correct the vulnerability. So let's move to the third one. Foxy proxy basically helps you configure the proxy settings with a burp suit. Basically, burp suit is an app which is used to capture the path, or in another language we can say to intercept the path. Burp suit helps to encode, decode. Basically, the HACI Quantum is the smaller version of the burp suit. Burp suit is the larger version. So we have Foxy proxy. Click on this. As you can see, I have burp present. Click on options to add any proxy or to edit any proxy. You can do from here. We will add, for example, Tor. We click change the color to this. Here you can select the proxy type, HTTPS, SSL, anything you can give here. Proxy setting, proxy IP address. This is the default IP address with the burp suit used, and the port is 8080. Click on save, and it has been added. Let's go to this site. Yes guys, Wayback Machine has loaded this site. As you can see, the recent version of the website look like this and look like this. As you can see, the only difference is this. Other thing remaining same. So now the Foxy proxy. When we click on this, we will enable Tor proxy and we will try to reload this. As you can see that the proxy server is refusing connection. So we are not using burp here, so I will show you how a burp suit captures the path, how burp suit catches the path of this. So now let's turn off this, and now we will reload again. As you can see, it has been reloaded again. It also helps. It basically sometimes it happens browser proxy settings does not able to configure himself with the burp suit. So we use the Foxy proxy to configure this. So the second is the Netcraft extension. Minecraft extension is used to check the site has a vulnerability or not. It also protects the user from phishing attacks and malwares. Let's see this. Let's close this. Click on this. As you can see, the site report from India, country India, first seen January 2018. SSL certificates has not supported. Host BRYS advertising. Site rank is this FPS. So SSL version 3 certificates are not supported here, so I can't able to show you this. So let's move to the paralyzer. This is the most important extension, guys, which the hacker use. Basically, it helps a hacker to check which programming language a website use. For example, this is the paralyzer. I click on it. The programming language is Java. The JavaScript libraries which the site uses jQuery and FancyBox. Reverse proxies will go to the Nginx. The web server Woodland is using the Apache Tomcat web server, JBoss application servers, and Nginx. Again, widgets is Facebook, Analytics, Google and Analytics, and web frameworks Java Servlet with their versions. So guys, these are the top 5 browser extensions that the hackers use. So guys, let's move towards our last topic, that is the guys you are waiting for, that is the reward for you all. So I'm giving away a Netflix for free for you all, guys. Yes guys, you heard it right. I'm giving away the Netflix for you all for free of cost. Just you have to fulfill the terms and conditions which are present in the description. So go to the descriptions, fulfill the terms and conditions and message me, and I will give you the Netflix for free of cost. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. I hope you like my videos, guys. See you in next video, guys. Bye bye.